The AMT Aqua Rod model kit offers a unique combination of a 1975 Chevy van, a trailer, and a drag boat, making it an exciting project for model enthusiasts. With over 250 parts, this model kit provides a detailed and intricate building experience that is sure to satisfy experienced hobbyists. The kit features high-quality components such as chrome plastic parts, transparent red and amber pieces, and black vinyl tires, ensuring a visually appealing final product. Modelers can enjoy customizing their build with options like mag wheels, bucket seats, and a 350 V8 engine for the van, or a 427 overhead cam engine for the boat. The expanded decal options and Retro Deluxe AMT reproduction packaging add a nostalgic touch to the kit, enhancing its collectible value. This model kit serves as a perfect gift for any model building enthusiast, offering both a rewarding challenge and a striking display piece once completed.